If you've ever wanted to clean up your Yahoo Mail address book, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to remove contacts from Yahoo Mail quickly and easily so you can keep your contacts organized and delete old or unwanted entries in just a few clicks. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the contacts icon. This opens your Yahoo contacts list, where all of your saved email addresses and people are stored. If you have a long list of contacts, you can scroll through it or use the search feature if needed to find the exact person you want to remove. After you find the contact you want to delete, click on that contact to select it. This will open the contact details and give you access to the available actions. Now look for the delete option and click it. Yahoo may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this contact, so take a moment to double check that you're deleting the correct one. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Confirm to finish the process. And that's it. The contact will now be removed from your Yahoo Mail contacts list. If you want to delete more contacts, you can repeat the same steps for each one. This is a great way to tidy up your address book, remove outdated entries, and keep your Yahoo Mail account organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.